what do you have to say?
Okay, so they tied this because we're jank as heck.
Took me half an hour. Half an hour
Yeah.
to do this.
So they drove.
Woo!
On the freeway, they drove on the They didn't drive on the freeway.
He's like,
There were cops
the
though.
guy in the
Yeah.
They drove past us and then they circled
saw-
back around.
They stopped and they were just looking at us.
Yeah.
They didn't stop us.
So let's open her up.
Here in NohoRobo, we have very unique snacks.
Hey, I'm Yotam, CAD lead on 3328. It's week 3 and we've been working on getting the chassis assembled. We went out and got some sheet metal, some aluminum channels, and we started assembling our chassis. We're doing a 29 by 29 drive. So far, build is going pretty well. We're a little behind schedule, but I think we're making good headway.
Hey, I'm Jonah. I'm a programmer on NohoRobo. Today we were working on programming. We recently finished the code for the drive, and I'm really excited about that, and hopefully we'll get to work on new things like the flywheel and all of our sensors really soon. So yeah.
Hi, my name is Noah Levin from Team 3328, and I'm part of the CAD team. So we're working on getting our frame ready. We're going to have our hex shaft cut hopefully by the end of this week, and hopefully we'll also have our electronics board laid out so we can start setting that up.